rhythm in the afternoon air. Signal in the sawdust, a rhythm in the pine. The pulse of the planet is crossing with mine. Now lost in the shadows, just caught in the glow of the humming static that only we know. The world outside is a frantic mess, but in here the hum is a soft caress. Sandpaper smoothing out the jagged edge of every hard word and every broken pledge. I don't need the radio, I don't need the news, just the vibration in the soles of my shoes. There's a code in the grain if you look close enough, finding the smooth in the middle of the rough. Spinning around, the center holds true, turning the old into something brand new. The dust is a veil, the hum is a door. I've never known what the silence was for. Signal in the sawdust,